Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Chocolate color, red color, orange color, blue color, purple color, green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Square, heart, circle, decagon, star and triangle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Square, next heart, next kids, circle, next decagon, next star, next kids, triangle. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, square, next red color, heart, next purple color, circle, next blue color, decagon, next kids, orange color, star, next kids, chocolate color, triangle, what we learn? We learn green color, square, red color, heart, purple color, circle, blue color, decagon, orange color, star, chocolate color, triangle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.